Hey guys, welcome back to Connect Tech Talks. So, before we get into today's topic, I would like to share a few questions that I was having during my college days. We basically know in our real world how communication is important, and we are so familiar with the human communications. But do we really know how computers communicate with each other? Then who is responsible for that? What makes computer to communicate each other? What makes a computer speak with other computer, which is happening around the world? Okay, if so, then who is responsible to protect their communication to share the confidential information? How is it possible? So guys, we are here to gain the answer for the above questions. And before we getting into this, let's start from basics. So, what is networking and what networks do? Networking is basically of connecting multiple devices using some protocols to share information between computers. Then who is protocol here? Protocols are a set of rules for transmitting of data between computers. Okay. So then transmitting data to happen, there must be a pre-existing agreement as to how the information will be structured and how each side will send and receive it. Please be more clear. Let's say if sender sends 8-bit packets and receiver is expecting 16-bit packets, will communication happen? Obviously will not. Here is where protocols needed. The most important computer protocol is OSI, Open Standard Interconnection, a guidelines for implementing communication between computers. Then who are the most important sets of protocols here? TCP/IP, HTTPS, SMTP, and DNS. But guys, there are still more protocols that we have to learn. So, before proceeding with who is making the communication to happen, let's go ahead and see the types of networks. For clear understanding to learn the types of devices. LAN, Local Area Network. A local area network or LAN is a network that connects computers within a limited area. This might be in a school, an office, or even a home. PAN, Personal Area Networks. A personal area network is a network that is based on an individual's workplace. The individual's device is the center of the network, with other devices connected to it. There are also wireless personal area networks. HAN, Home Area Networks. A home area network connects devices within a home environment. It might include personal computers, tablets, smartphones, printers, TVs, and other devices. WAN, Wide Area Networks. A wide area network is a network that covers a larger geographical area, usually with a radius of more than a kilometer. Let's say a WAN will connect two LANs, local area networks. Campus networks. A campus network is a LAN or set of connected LANs which is used by a government agency, university, corporation, or similar organization and is typically a network across a set of buildings that are close together. MAN, Metropolitan Area Networks. Metropolitan area networks are networks that stretch across a region of size of a metropolitan area. A MAN is a series of connected LANs in a city, which might also connect to a WAN. EPNs, Enterprise Private Networks. An enterprise private network is used by a company to connect its various sites so that different locations can share resources. Internet works. Internet works connect different networks together to build a large network. Internetworking is often used to describe building a large global network. BBN, Backbone Networks. A backbone is a part of a network that connects different pieces and provides a path for information to be exchanged. Global Area Networks. A global area network is a worldwide network that connects networks all over the globe, such as the internet. Okay, now let's see who is making the communication to happen. Network devices and connectors. Now let's see each and every devices one by one. Modem. Modem enables a computer to send or receive data over telephone or cable lines. The data stored on the computer is digital, whereas the telephone line or cable wire can transmit only analog data. It is actually a combination of two devices, modulator and demodulator. The modulator converts digital data into analog data when the data is being sent by the computer. The demodulator converts analog data signals into digital data when it is being received by the computer. So, what are the types of modem here? Simplex, half duplex, full duplex. A simplex modem can transfer data in only one direction, from digital device to network, or a modulator, or network to digital device, demodulator. Half duplex. A half duplex modem has a capacity to transfer data in both the directions but only one at a time. Example, walkie-talkie. Full duplex. A full duplex modem can transmit data in both the directions simultaneously. Example, mobile phones. RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector is a 8-pin jack used by devices to physically connect to Ethernet-based local area networks. Ethernet is a technology that defines protocols for establishing a LAN. Ethernet card, which is also known as Network Interface Card, a NIC card, is a hardware component used by computers to connect to Ethernet LAN and communicate with other devices on the LAN. In modern computers, it is an internal hardware component. The NIC has RJ45 socket where network cables is physically plugged in. Router, which is a managed device that is used to connect two different networks for global communication to happen. I mean internet. Switch. Switch connects other devices to Ethernet networks through twisted pair cables. It uses packet switching techniques to receive, store and forward data packets on the network. Simply telling, switch builds communication within computers in the same network. Wi-Fi card, also called as wireless fidelity. It is used to achieve wireless connection to any network. Wi-Fi card is a card used to connect any device to the local network wirelessly. The physical area of the network which provides internet access through Wi-Fi is called Wi-Fi hotspot. So hotspot, what is hotspot? Hotspot can be set up at home, office or any public space. Hotspots themselves are connected to the network through wires. So guys, today we saw what is networking and what networks do and what are the devices involved in networking and what are the types of networks and what are the main protocols for the communication to happen between the computers. So in our next video, we will be seeing the very important topic in detail, OSI model, and we will see each and every layers in detail. So until then, take care, bye bye, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.